Time now for Better Money Boston. I'm here with David Shapiro. He's Regional Director of Wealth at Johnson Brunetti. Now, those strategies that got you to retirement, well, they probably won't get you through retirement. We want to talk to David today about what we need to be thinking about in terms of adjusting our mindset.
Megan, when we sit down with clients, one of the main components we're always focusing on is helping them understand that the strategies they use to get them to retirement are very different than in retirement. All this up and down in the markets, and I don't like seeing my accounts go down either, but I like the idea that I'm still putting money in the market because I'm working. You can be more focused on growth. But within a 5 to 7 year time horizon, it's probably time to consider shifting how your relationship is, how you start thinking about the market.
Okay, when it comes to retirement, we do need to have a focus on income, you say.
It's huge. And you may have been working 20, 30, 40 years, and then after you retire, something really scary happens. There's no more check coming in the door. So in that moment, it's vital to have a specific, understandable plan on how are you going to replace that paycheck? How's the income going to be driven? And there should be a strategy that's driven not just by what's going on in your own portfolio, but also in the world.
Most of our viewers, they don't want to see their lifestyle change come retirement, David. So how should we be looking at budgeting?
All week we sit down with clients talking about what are their goals in retirement. And certainly there's just the goal of living. But we're also big believers in memory investing. What are the things that during retirement you want to spend time? I've never had a 90-year-old say, I'm really glad I never took that trip with the family. So making sure there's a specific plan to make sure your goals are accomplished, and then we're hyper-focused on making sure whatever adjustments are necessary over and over again to keep you on that track within your budget, but also feel safe and secure with that paycheck in retirement.
That's important. Your plan matches your goals. All right. And you've brought a free book for our viewers today, David.
We have a great book called Guide to Maximizing Retirement. The sole purpose that book was written to make sure that our clients have a clear, understandable strategies in place to make sure they're making the right decisions during retirement, including keeping that income coming and making sure you have the right relationship with your money.
We want you to get this book right now. Go to bettermoneyboston.com to receive it. Again, get it today. Go to bettermoneyboston.com. David and the team at Johnson Brunetti will make sure you get that. And we'll see you back here next week for another edition of Better Money Boston.